Hi, and welcome to this mini guide about buying a property in Spain. We at Kaarsberg Estate are a team of accomplished real estate agents with more than 15 years of experience in property sales on the Costa del Sol. In this guide, I will present you with essential information you will need to purchase a property in Spain. Unlike other countries, real estate agents in Spain work primarily dependent on one another. It is therefore important to note that most agencies have access to the same properties. This simply means that you as a buyer should find yourself an agent with whom you have a good connection. First and foremost, it is important to find out which area you prefer. The Costa del Sol is big and there are many wonderful and exotic areas. I can recommend you checking out our blog on our website, where we have made several small guides to the different cities on the coast in order to make your search easier. It is also important to consider which type of property you prefer. For example, new developments has become very popular with Scandinavians. Nowadays, there are almost only top modern minimalist and Nordic style constructions being built. It includes high quality product design, large windows for natural lighting, relatively large rooms, and good terraces. You could also consider resale. This option is also quite popular with those who want to put their own touch on the property. Here you can expect a more Andalusian charm with more soul than what you might experience in newly built properties. Now let me explain to you the normal purchase procedure in Spain. You will be asked to provide contact details of the real estate agent or seller, as well as the property's location, size, purchase price, acquisition date, and other details agreed with the seller or the real estate agent. In order to prepare a purchase contract and a power of attorney, the following information must be provided: your full name, address, position, marital status, and whether you have joint or separate ownership, and a copy of passport. To be able to purchase a property in Spain, it is necessary to have a NIE number. All persons signing the deed must have a NIE number. You can apply for this at your Spanish embassy, or we can help you apply for it here in Spain with a power of attorney from you. With the given information, a reservation contract is drawn up on the property, which means that it is removed from the market. Here you will usually have to pay between 3,000 to 6,000 euros, depending on the price of the property. The lawyer then reviews the property's documentation to ensure ownership, outstandings, resident permit, and owner's association in the property. You can then draw up a purchase contract where approximately 10% of the purchase price is paid, minus the reservation amount already paid. This is usually signed within 10 to 15 days of the reservation contract. The remaining sum, according to the cost statement, should normally be in the lawyer's client account at least 5 working days before the actual signing of the deed. This is done as there must be time for the bank to issue a certificate stating that the money has come to the country legally, and to prepare various bank checks for the actual signing of the deed. At the final notary meeting, the deed is signed. The outstanding sum is paid to the seller and the buyer receives the keys to the property. Hereafter, the property must be registered and taxes paid. It can usually take up to 3 to 4 months before the property is registered. In addition to this, there will be made a transfer of utility contracts and change of ownership with the authorities. For this purpose, a Spanish bank account must be used for payment of the various utility contracts. If you already have a Spanish bank account, you should provide the bank's name and account number, Otherwise, the lawyer can help you open a Spanish bank account. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.